In today's digital world, having an online presence is crucial for any business. Customers turn to the internet to find products and services. They search online before they visit a store. A strong online presence helps businesses get found. It helps them connect with potential customers. Think of your online presence as your digital storefront. It's the first impression you make on potential customers online. Just like a physical storefront, you want it to be inviting, informative, and easy to find. This is where Google My Business comes in. Google My Business is a free tool that helps businesses manage their online presence across Google. It's like a digital directory listing that puts your business on the map, literally. With Google My Business, you can create a profile that showcases your business information, photos, reviews, and more, making it easier for customers to find you online. Google My Business is essential for businesses of all sizes. It levels the playing field, giving small businesses the same online visibility as larger corporations. When customers search for businesses like yours, Google My Business helps you stand out from the competition. Imagine someone searching for a bakery in their area. With Google My Business, your bakery's profile can appear in the search results, showcasing your location, hours, photos of your delicious pastries, and even customer reviews. This makes it easy for potential customers to find you and decide if they want to visit your store. Google My Business not only helps customers find you, but also builds trust and credibility for your business. When your profile is complete and up to date, it shows customers that you are a legitimate business that cares about its online presence. Creating a Google My Business profile is easy and straightforward. First, go to google.com/business and click on Manage Now. You'll need to sign in with your Google account, or create a new one if you don't have one already. Next, you'll be asked to enter your business name. If your business already appears in the drop-down list, select it. If not, click on Add Your Business to Google and follow the prompts to enter your business information, including your business name, address, phone number, website, and business category. Once you've entered your business information, you'll need to verify your business. Verification is important because it confirms that you are the owner of the business and helps prevent fraudulent listings. Google offers several verification methods, including postcard verification, phone verification, and email verification. Choose the method that works best for you and follow the instructions provided by Google. Section 4. Showcasing your best. Key features for success. Once you've verified your Google My Business profile, you can start adding more information to make it stand out. One of the essential features is adding photos. High-quality photos of your business, products, and services can attract customers and give them a visual representation of what you offer. Another crucial feature is managing customer reviews. Reviews play a significant role in influencing customer decisions. Encourage your satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on your Google My Business profile. Respond to both positive and negative reviews professionally and promptly. Addressing negative reviews shows potential customers that you care about customer satisfaction. Keep your business information up to date, including your hours of operation, contact information, and website address. Accurate information ensures that customers can find you easily and get in touch with you without any hassle. Section 5. The power of posts. Keeping your audience engaged. Google My Business offers a feature called Posts that allows you to share updates, offers, and events with your audience directly on your Google My Business profile. Posts are a great way to keep your profile fresh and engaging. You can create posts about new products or services, upcoming events, special promotions, or even share blog posts from your website. Posts appear in the Updates tab of your Google My Business profile and can be a powerful tool for driving traffic to your website or physical store. Section 6. Reaping the rewards. maintaining and maximizing your profile. Creating a Google My Business profile is just the first step. To reap the full benefits, it's essential to maintain and update your profile regularly. Keep your business information current, respond to reviews promptly, and post engaging content to keep your audience informed and engaged. By actively managing your Google My Business profile, you can enhance your online visibility, attract more customers, and ultimately grow your business. In today's digital-first world, claiming and optimizing your Google My Business profile is no longer optional. It's a necessity for success.